Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get your Facebook marketplace back. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if your Facebook marketplace access has been restricted or removed, you can simply try the methods shown in this videos to get your marketplace feature back in your Facebook. So first of all, let's understand the reasons for why your Facebook marketplace might be restricted or removed. This thing can be done when you have violated any of the policies, or it has some issues with the account, or any glitches in Facebook. So to remend it, just simply tap open your Facebook, and once it's open, you need to go in your profile, and in your profile section you can simply review your Facebook policies, or if you have listed something on your Facebook marketplace, then you can simply remove the potentially violating listings and appeal the restrictions through Facebook's support channels. So by following these ways, you can simply get your Facebook marketplace back. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.